High Court has disagreed with IEBC, has gone ahead to find that there has never been any removal or impeachment from office of one Paul Karungo Thang'wa, and has gone ahead to say that Mr. Karungo Thang'wa is qualified under Article 99 of the Constitution to run for Senate Kiambu County. You recall that previously the allegations and the rumor that has been going around is that Mr. Karungo Thang'wa had been removed or impeached from office as a County Executive Committee member for Sports and Youth Affairs. That position has been trashed by the High Court. In fact, the High Court was very express. The words of the High Court is that he has never been removed from office. So the allegation that that was the case has been trashed. So Chebukati and the entire commission has no choice. The High Court has spoken and it has directed IEBC to ensure that he is on the ballot as a candidate for Senate Kiambu County come the election on the 9th of August 2022. Yes, we already have the judgment and the order. And from here, we are to proceed to the returning officer, wherever he may be found, whether at the commission or in his house, to make sure that he has received the clearance documentation of Mr. Karungo and to issue Mr. Karungo forthwith with a clearance certificate so that he is now cleared to run for the position of Senate come the next general election. So we are ready and we are armed with all the documents from the court, and we do not anticipate that there will be any challenges because there has been no order to stop that decision that has been issued by the court. So we do not anticipate that we will have any challenges at all because the High Court has spoken. IEBC is supposed to be a referee. Karungo's case was very interesting, that there has never been a complainant or anybody going to IEBC or its tribunal to say that Mr. Karungo is not qualified. In fact, it was very interesting that when we appeared before the court, we were telling the court that unlike other cases, the Sakajas and others where you have people going to court to say somebody is not qualified, in Karungo's case, it is IEBC complaining against Mr. Karungo. So there has never been anybody complaining. In fact, it came out very surprisingly that unlike other cases, we have a case where the referee, because IEBC is supposed to be the referee, and the referee cannot be the one to say that a certain player should not play. The role of the referee is to referee a match, not to knock out certain players. And in Karungo's case, that is exactly what IEBC is doing. And it has been called out by the High Court for such behavior. And we hope that IEBC will play by the rules and will obey the Constitution and the laws. And remember that its work primarily is to referee an election and not to determine who should run in an election and who should not.
They thought they would have a chance. And I forgive them. But I won't forget. And for me to show that we have victory is to marshal around 1 million votes for Karungo Thang'wa in Kiambu County. And I call upon the people of Kiambu to show our enemies that they have been defeated. Let's give Karungo Thang'wa 1 million votes as a senator for Kiambu County.